My dudes, who on here knows about the March Madness vasectomy? And yes, I know it's hard to take me seriously with this whole thing going on. But did you know that urologists see an increase in up to 50% of vasectomies leading up to and during the NCAA tournament? We call it Vas Madness. Guilt-free, unlimited, and uninterrupted couch time to watch basketball. Sign me up, right? You just had your balls snipped. You need to relax with a bag of peas, watch basketball, drink a beer. It appears that some of the clever men amongst us have found a little loophole. Scheduling one of life's more unpleasant procedures around this tourney, leading up to a 4-day vasectomy vacation that coincides perfectly with March Madness. Guys, I'm here for it. I sniffed like 10 of you this week. Nose bandage and all. So if you missed the window, there's always the next year.